This is a video for Porter Electronics showing how to replace the glass in the head of the overhead projector of a 3M 9100. So to begin, you want to tilt the lens up as high as it can go, and then you will notice that there are two screws underneath that you will need to take out. Then this little piece, put that off to the side, and I usually will pop out the glass and put that off to the side. Then there are two screws underneath the head that you will also need to remove. There's a plastic tab that you can take out and another piece of glass that's round. And then to put it back together, you just do the opposite. Put the glass back in, slide the black tabs up against the glass, and reinstall the screws. Then you take the second piece of glass and slide it up. And then you'll take your metal piece and make sure that the grooves are pointing in to hold the glass up against. And that is how you replace the glass.